Hey folks, Adam here, and I live in Florida, and you know what? This master bedroom gets too darn hot. I've tried knockout curtains to get the sun out of here, still too hot. The overhead ceiling fan and even a fan in the doorway to cycle air in. But for whatever reason, the house just doesn't cool off this bedroom. I didn't know what to do. I considered putting a mini split in, but looking at that and the installation, that is thousands. No way, can't do it. So I heard about MorphyRichards, completely ductless air conditioning system. It pulls the humidity out and it can be used as a fan. It's ultra powerful and it's new to the market. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So a nice thing about this, the MorphyRichards sitting here on the left is literally the same size, very close in size, to the fan that we had running in here that was doing nothing, hardly cycling any air. Now this guy is blowing out cold air and it's literally cooling the room, and it just plugs in, no ventilation needed, and let's see what kind of difference it makes. All right folks, so we're going to run the laser and you can see it's 82.7 degrees coming out of the fan. Let's see what the Morphy's doing, just starting off. And it looks like we're getting down maybe 72 degrees. So a significant difference just in initial temperature. But let's let it run a while. Let's let it cool off and see what this thing can do. All right, folks, so you can see there's no tail on this. Nothing going outside the house. It's lightweight and it's easy to move around. This is a really nice device. Now from about 1.5 meters away, this is changing my world. It's really, really cool. And this is going to cool down this room in no time. I absolutely love it. Now I do love that this does have a pretty good rotation on it. You can see that it is going up and down, it's going left and right, and we can control all of that right here. Also has a timer. I've got it for 63 minutes remaining. It was on 53, 73, etc. And then you've got cool, dehumidify, or fan. So one of the other cool aspects you can see right here, you can empty out the water tank right from the bottom. Easy peasy. This is just a great design, and it just kind of sets right in place. Folks, so we already got it down to about 67, 68 degrees in here, just for being on for about 20, 30 minutes. And that makes it comfortable to sleep in this room. And I think that's the big selling point, is it's nice and quiet. Can be used as a fan, it's energy efficient, and this thing can be used by several people. You want that rotation on, you want that movement, you want to feel it from the other side of the room. This is a powerful fan. It's moving some significant air, and this thing is really fantastic. Folks, it's easy to clean with the filters on each side. It's going to come out, you're going to be able to clean it easily. A lot of air conditioners do not clean that easily, but this is going to be simple. All right, folks, so I've completely turned off the other fan. I don't need it anymore. It's nice and cool in here. Great design. This bullet look really does allow for some movement of the air. I like that. If I want, I can just run the fan. Now, everybody's going to ask, what happens to that hot ambient air that's normally kicked out of an air conditioner? Well, this actually treats the air and keeps it pretty much the room temperature. So you're getting cold air coming out, and you're not getting any hot fumes or anything, unlike a lot of air conditioners. This is going to be perfect for a single room to cool it off and make a world of difference. And like we pointed out before, surprisingly portable. When I got a box at my door, I expected, oh great, an air conditioning unit. This thing is going to be heavy. Well, guess what, folks? This thing is actually very light. I'm not worried about it. Super lightweight and easy to use. All right, folks, if you're looking for something that can't be beat, well, guess what? This is a premier product that's going to cool off your bedroom, going to cool off your kitchen, cool off your house in a way that will blow your mind. Powerful, stylish, sophisticated, and the latest technology, using safe technology that's good for the world, good for the planet, and good for you. All right. Again, my name is Adam. We're talking about the most elite products in all the land, and this thing is changing the world. Folks, if your question is, should you pick it up? Does it really work? The answer is a resounding yes. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. Rest easily knowing that you're going to have some cold air when you sleep. All right. What are you waiting for, folks? Get to shopping. You know I love and appreciate you, and goodbye, my friends.